Have you ever had to have damaged siding replaced and been told that insurance won't cover a full siding replacement? Well, today we want to share the right information about homeowners insurance for a siding replacement and how you should best handle the situation if you want to use insurance to cover your siding replacement. Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we will outline 3 things you need to know and 3 steps to follow before using homeowners insurance for a siding replacement. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to do if you have damage to your home siding and want to use homeowners insurance for a siding replacement. If you want more great Home Solutions content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. Now, here are 3 things you need to know about homeowners insurance coverage. One of the first things you need to know is that your homeowners insurance won't cover the entire siding replacement project. It can be shocking to be quoted in the tens of thousands of dollars for your replacement siding, only to find out that insurance is only going to give you $800 for the entire project. It's important to be aware of this to avoid feeling blindsided by a cost. Know that your homeowners insurance will not cover the full cost needed to replace your siding, no matter how big or small your project is. If you only get around $800 from insurance and decide to go with the least expensive option, consider the quality of product you are getting. In the home remodeling industry, cost and quality have a direct relationship. The highest quality products and services will never be the least expensive. So, if you decide to go with the least expensive option, you won't be getting the highest quality product. Depending on the degree of damage to your siding, replacing the entire siding may not be your only option. Say you have impact damage from heavy winds only on a small area of your siding. Then you may be able to just have your siding repaired instead of fully replaced. If you're contemplating a siding replacement or repair, you must inspect the damage and also get the opinion of a professional. A siding repair, as opposed to a replacement, will lower your cost for your project. Now, let's look at 3 steps to take if you want to use homeowners insurance for a siding replacement. Step number 1, contact your homeowner's insurance company. By contacting your insurance company first, you will know exactly what coverage you have and what they will provide for your home. Your insurance will most likely send an inspector to your home to assess the damage and talk with you about if it's covered and what they will provide for you. If you have a siding replacement or repair company come out first, you may be getting a large quote that your insurance will not provide the funds for. Then, you're left confused about what you should do and how much you should be paying. Step number 2, determine what coverage you have and weigh your options. You want to outline if you have any deductibles, how much money your insurance is giving you, and what next steps to take for your project. Do you want to replace your entire siding or just repair the damaged areas? How much are you looking to pay out of pocket? What kind of siding do you want? These are just a few questions to consider before taking the next step and looking for the right contractor for your project. Step number 3, find the right company for your siding project. If you're getting your siding repaired and not replaced, then you must find the right company that offers siding repair for your type of siding. If you only have a small area of siding that is damaged, you'll have to find a contractor that works on small projects. Some contractors have a minimum size your project must be for them to work with you. In order to find the right company for you, you must outline your goals, wants, and needs for your project. It's important to remember if you want to use your insurance for a siding replacement or repair, the insurance will not cover the full project. Be prepared to spend out of pocket. Also, you must consider the quality of the product and installation you'll be getting if you choose a less expensive company for the sake of using insurance. If you want a high-quality siding replacement that will last, it's going to cost more. If you are considering replacing any of your siding and using homeowners insurance, it's important to know how much your project may cost you and what factors affect the cost. Check out the article linked down below that outlines how much a siding replacement costs and what factors play into the cost. Then, you'll have a better idea of how much your project will cost you and what your budget needs to be. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.